Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make nice looking iTunes screenshots. Okay, here we are on the Patterns website. As you can see, a popular trend is to have your screenshots consist of a nice blurred background with text up the top describing what this screen is, the frame of your phone and the actual screen itself. So Facebook groups do that, Hyperlapse does this, Product Hunt does this, Uber does this. It's quite a popular way to go. One of the reasons for this being so popular is that no one really reads your iTunes app descriptions, and so this is a good way to shove a bit of text in front of the user in a way that they will actually read it and get a good idea of what your app does. And so what I've done is I've created this script called Nice Shots. Here it is, which I'll share with you in the source code bundle. And what it does is it takes your iOS simulator screenshots and processes them to look like that trend. And I'll go through with you now how to do this. So firstly, you need to install Homebrew. And this allows you to install applications from the command line. So you copy and paste this to your terminal to install Homebrew. Once you've installed Homebrew, you need to then install ImageMagick and also GraphicsMagick. ImageMagick and GraphicsMagick are two command line applications that are used to manipulate images, kind of like Photoshop, but really cut down. But they come in quite handy for this. And the reason I need both installed is that some effects look good in one and some effects look good in the other. So once you've got those installed, you go into your iOS 6 simulator. iPhone 6 simulator rather. Now you need to take your screenshots in the iPhone 6 size. So here we are. Let's take a screenshot. That's the home screen. So I'll call that 1.png. And then I'll go in here. Take another screenshot. We'll call that number 2. I'll take a screenshot of this. And lastly, a screenshot of the save screen. And then rename the files to suit. In my Nice Shots folder, I've got this folder called Originals. I'll just move these in here. There you can see the 1, 2, 3, and 4 PNGs are in there. Next, you go to the font book and you choose a font that you like. So any of the OS 10 built-in fonts, you select them. Once you've chosen your font, you right click and do Show in Finder. And once you've found it in Finder, you copy and paste, or you copy the file name for that font. Next, there's a backgrounds folder. Each screenshot needs a background that gets blurred and put behind the frame of your phone. So here are some images that I chose. These look quite nice when they're blurred. And lastly, you need to decide on the text that goes behind. So you go into the niceshot.rb file. And here's the configurations for the screenshots. This is why I needed to name the files 1, 2, 3, and 4.png, because that's the source. The backgrounds are there. And here's the text that you need to choose for each screenshot. These are the command line steps that it uses to manipulate things to look the way you want. This is where you put the font that you choose and the point size for that font. Once you've done all that, you go to the command line and run ruby nice shots, niceshot.rb, and let it do its thing. While it's running, I'll show you what it's outputting. So there's this output folder, and it generates screenshots for all the 4 iPhone sizes. So here's the 4, the 5, 6, and the 6 Plus. The 5, 6, and 6 Plus look the same in preview because they're all the same aspect ratio. And it looks quite nice in my opinion. It'll certainly look better than the majority of apps out there. And doesn't take very long at all. You're free to use and modify this script as you need. Great, thanks for watching.